Something's made a fine mess of them.
It appears the fighting wasn't all that long ago. There might still be enemies nearby.
What?
The absurdity of battle never ceases to amuse me.
What's her deal? She a Kavesi soldier? She's coming this way.
Lives are so easily lost, and in service to all manner of nonsense. Truly, this is why. We'll never be able to stop fighting. Wouldn't you agree?
Can we...
So then, did you help us out just now?
Oh, we're not out of the woods just yet. Seems we have some new guests coming.
We're surrounded.
Only one thing for it.
Yeah. Get ready.
Oh, aren't you all just adorable?
This ain't the time for jokes.
I guess you're right. It's way too early to start laughing. Because the fun's only just getting started.
This one has business.
My office is free. My house is so free.
This will keep it going. Fire! You'll never land. This will keep it going.
I see you. So free. You're a lifesaver.
This will all be going. They broke away.
We can do better yet. One more, Uni. Thanks. My office is free. Feel the power.
Feels just like it should. Airbag. He's big overboard.
Do that again for me.
Power of Purple. Things are building up.
Music to the max. Are you ready, Uni? My office now brings them to their knees. Moving spider.
Control them.
Dark banner. No stopping you.
No fear there.
So free.
Thanks. Demon Slayer.
Spirit Ranger. I need you, Mia. We can hit hard with the chain attack.
Just now. Those were Kavesi soldiers.
Ah, well spotted. They're forces from Colony 11 up ahead.
And going by your appearance, I'd say you're also a Kavesi soldier.
Who? Me?
Tell us who you are. What colony are you from?
Well then, if you absolutely must know, I'm the commander of Colony 11, whose soldiers just attacked us.
Wow, cool. Wait, what?
Huh?
Their commander?
Hang on. Back it up. If you're the commander of Colony 11, then you're... Ashira, the Undying Blade.
Undying? What in the Queen's name? She meant to be some kind of celebrity.
There ain't a defender worth their salt in all of Kevers who hasn't heard of her. She's the commander of a silver rank colony, in the running for the strongest person in Kevers.
Getting back on topic, you're telling us you were attacked by your own colony.
I suppose I am telling you that.
But why? What for?
Well, I guess I have given them a couple of reasons. These things happen, you know. Anyway, I'm going to remove Colony 11 from the equation. You guys want to come with?
Huh? Come with? Why? Sorry? Now it's open season. This is all kinds of stupid.
But you're talking about your own colony. Your mates. You'll just go off and fight them.
Sure. One rarely gets to enjoy a battle such as this. Also, I have my own reasons for killing them. Besides, sitting back and letting them keep taking swings at me is not my style. It's just no fun that way.
I don't think you meant to say that part out loud.
Well, but why are you inviting us to join you?
Huh? So you're telling me you're not the great and terrible Ouroboros?
Huh? You knew?
Come now. I've heard this personally from the Queen. Every commander alive knows about you lot. As I hear it, you're some kind of rebels, going around wrecking colonies' flame clocks.
That's outrageous. Well, it's also true, mostly. But we don't do it just for the fun of it.
It sounds like you're not everyone's favourite person right now either. What's your goal?
Surely it's self-evident, no? On the battlefield, you have one of two options. Fight and live, or fight and die. When considering the pure act of trading life back and forth, there's no separation into enemies and allies. Not for the killers, nor for the ones being killed. That's something you soldiers should get. More so now you've rebelled and made sure everyone wants your heads.
Like I keep saying, nobody here did that on purpose.
I'm sure. Everyone has their own way of thinking. I'm not trying to say otherwise. In any case, there's a place for you on my battlefield, if you feel like joining. I'm sure Colony 11 will give you a warm welcome. Though maybe not the one you'd wish for.
What is her problem? What in the Queen's snow white wings does she want from us?
I don't know. But she certainly seems to be after something.
We have some new names registered.
We've never been here before.
Oh, don't tell me. Have you actually decided to accept my invitation?
Well, you know, we do owe you for helping us before.
I've never heard of anyone entering the Wolf's Den just because they owe someone.
But how are you even planning on fighting a whole colony alone? Charging at them head on?
Ah, you must be the tactician. Got it in one point, Dexter.
You're insane.
Oh, come now. We live in a world of strife, of constant, unending war. And you question my sanity?
Know what? Just sounds like suicide to me. Maybe you really have lost it.
Uni, that's too far. Even for you.
Okay, but you did hear her, right?
My colony, Colony 11, guards the castle, and it's rightly hailed as being impregnable. Not a single Agnian soldier has ever broken through, not even once. I fought long and hard to defend this colony, and now I'm going to bring it down. Just one woman. Can you think of anything more satisfying than that? I know I can't.
You know what else you're not thinking of? The moment they open fire and turn you to mincemeat. How's that for a punchline?
If that happens, I'll do my soldierly duty and turn into a lovely corpse.
Oi!
I'm touched by your concern, but they won't be killing me that easily. All of you, I'm sure you've overcome your own share of hairy situations. We can do this.
What would you know? You don't know a thing about us.
Don't be such a worrywart, Uni. We can do anything if you've got our backs.
You're awfully enthusiastic about this, Lance.
You reckon?
Now I think about it, you've known about Ashira since the start. Do you maybe...
Shut up! She's the best defender in Keves! I'm just some nobody. If somebody told you you get to fight alongside a legend, wouldn't you jump at the chance?
What an awfully nice thing to say. I'll be looking for some great things from you. Lance, was it?
Oh, give me a break.
Well then, my dear Ouroboros fellows, what say we sally forth? The battle awaits us, one that's sure to prove a most thrilling distraction. It's always good to have a few good battle buddies.
Says the woman who leaps into the thick of it by herself.
Shall we deal with this?
Myopic scream!
I don't fear death, so bring it. Demon Slayer! I don't fear death, so bring it.
Time to get crushed. Nothing good. Myopic scream!
Demon Slayer!
This is power! Power ring!
Round! I don't fear death, so bring it.
You're a lifesaver. I see you! With group heal! Why?
Single strike.
Style and substance. Live! Stop work! You're on fire, Lance! I see you! Lurking spider!
He's bigger.
White flash! Just a little more!
Nice.
I want to surrender! Crash you into dust! Sorry!
You want some more? Bring it.
Perfect time.
Cheers to that!
One flash. Here.
Wide! Flash banner!
Figure.
Don't get it away!
Good stuff. That's the one. I don't fear death.
Cheers to that! Stronger!
My power goes free.
We can do better yet! Come on! Ed! Myopic scream!
It's better.
Myopic scream! Style and substance! Love it!
It's about time we finish this. Cheer up!
Bring it on. Demon Slayer.
Take your life!
Round. Just try it.
Good job, Jimmy! Myopic scream!
This is half of it.
Time to
I want
end.
to surrender before we grind you into dust!
You want some more? Stormy sky. Am I doing okay?
Release
with
you,
the
Mia.
other things?
We can do this now!
We are more than capable. This should be our plan of attack. I'll make this.
Only! Above and beyond!
I can follow that up. You're done.
Keep hitting hard!
That's the way. I'll start them.
I'm with you.
I've been waiting for this!
Overfall. Demon Slayer. Bring you out of your misery. Time to hesitate. I just thought of yippee!
Only!
I'm with you.
One more for the road. Like this, yeah.
All right! Ready to be honest! Punch harder! Now that's teamwork!
No wonder your little gang is causing waves. You were completely ruthless with my lot.
Do you have to talk about us like that?
Just so you know, we actually were trying to go easy on them.
Oh, no need to hold back. You can wipe the floor with them. That's me giving you the green light as their commander.
I heard of some terrible commanders before, but this one takes the biscuit, hands down.
You know, there's rumors that some soldiers in Colony 11 are crazy tough.
Is that right?
Yep. Way I heard it, they have snipers who can shoot you from behind a mountain. Or specialists who can read your mind.
Bollocks. Those aren't even good rumors.
Ooh, now this sounds interesting. Is there anything they said about me?
Huh? Oh, yeah. I mean, they might have mentioned some things.
Go on, try me. Even though I can probably guess.
They call you Ashira, the Undying Blade. A heroic commander famed throughout Kevers. Another name they use is... that suicidal maniac.
Okay, I see.
Wow, that kind of sucks.
Oh, definitely. I was prepared for anything. But this... It's just so bland, so boring. I was hoping for something with more zest, more bite.
That's what you're hung up on?
If you're finished chatting, I'd like us to get moving. And don't forget, we're smack dab in the middle of enemy territory.
Oops, you're right. Not much time until reinforcements come. I'm feeling a little miserable, but I can take it all out on my men. No problem.
Yep, it's official. We found the worst commander.
Heads up. Second wave.